This is the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 you clicked for. And trust me, it's not just a facelift. From off-road trails to city streets, Toyota's best-selling SUV just got smarter, meaner, and faster. But wait till you see how the GR Sport trim stacks up with over 320 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. A RAV4 with sports car numbers? Today's video is all about the redesigned RAV4 lineup for 2026, including that wild GR Sport version. But stick around, because later I'll show you one hidden feature that turns this SUV into a camper's dream. You won't want to miss it. This review's going to be fast-paced, so buckle up. We're diving into performance, exterior, and interior design, tech upgrades, and whether Toyota just made the perfect all-in-one hybrid. And oh, real-world proof. You're about to see dyno-tested specs, 0 to 60 stats, and live impressions from our time behind the wheel. Let's kick it off with the part you really care about: what this thing can do on the road. Alright, let's talk power. No matter which trim you choose, the 2026 RAV4 is now fully hybrid, and that's a bold move. Toyota's doubling down on efficiency without killing fun. Starting with the Woodland edition, this is your off-road warrior. It comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine paired with electric motors, producing 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive. It's not turbocharged, but it doesn't need to be. The hybrid torque kicks in early, giving you that instant low-end grunt when you're climbing trails or towing gear. And speaking of towing, the Woodland can haul up to 3,500 pounds. That's small camper or dirt bike trailer territory. Now, the big surprise, the GR Sport. This trim is Toyota flexing its performance muscle. Under the hood, a plug-in hybrid system cranking out 320 horsepower. That's more than the old RAV4 Prime. And with AWD standard and a 50-mile electric-only range, you can commute gas-free and still have muscle on tap. It's got paddle shifters, GR-branded brakes, and summer performance tires. Don't expect WRX-level speed, but for an SUV, this thing moves. And for those of you who prefer comfort over crazy, there's the limited trim. It uses the same 236 horsepower hybrid as the Woodland, but tuned more for daily driving. Smooth, quiet, and efficient. Perfect for family road trips or the office commute. So, what's the catch? We'll get to the biggest drawback, but first, let's look at what makes this RAV4 a head-turner. Toyota's thrown out the old playbook here. The 2026 RAV4 isn't just a design refresh, it's a total personality split across 3 distinct trims. The Woodland edition is pure rugged utility. Think Minecraft meets mountain trail. It's blocky with chunky cladding, an oversized front grille, and black fender flares that scream, "Take me off-road." Add in 18-inch Grand Trek tires and a 0.5-inch lift for better clearance. There's even a silver bash guard and a built-in hitch receiver for your bike rack or camp gear. The GR Sport? That's your aggressive street style. Piano black everything, red accents, and a spoiler that looks like it belongs on a rally car. Those 19-inch super-style wheels wrapped in summer rubber mean this RAV4 is ready for some backroad fun. And that hexagon grille with faux vents? Totally over the top, and we're here for it. Then you've got the limited, the refined middle ground. It's more subtle, with softened lines, a sleeker grille, and a toned-down presence. Available in dark gray or blue, it's understated but still confident. Perfect if you want capability without drawing too much attention. Each trim offers a unique visual identity, and for once, it's not just badges doing the talking. Now we're stepping inside. And this is where the RAV4 really shows its evolution. Let's start with the Woodland edition again. Inside, you get all-weather mats, flat folding rear seats, and a 1,500-watt onboard power outlet. Yup, you can plug in your camping stove or even charge e-bikes right from the back. It's built for adventure, and it shows. Cargo space? Still solid, though a 6'1" tester found it a bit snug lengthwise when stretching out. In the GR Sport, Toyota gets playful. You're getting suede-like seats with neoprene side bolsters, red stitching, and aluminum pedals. The GR steering wheel and paddle shifters add to the fun, and that massive 12.9-inch touchscreen brings your media, nav, and settings into one sleek hub. But here's the kicker. It still has physical HVAC knobs, so you don't need to dig through menus just to adjust the fan. And for the Limited, it's luxury light. You get leather trim, soft-touch surfaces, and wide seats designed for long-distance comfort. But be warned, the passenger side still lacks adjustable lumbar support, which feels like an oversight at this price point. Still, every trim now offers smart storage, flat folding versatility, and a modular feel that makes it more practical than ever. Every 2026 RAV4 comes with the latest Toyota safety sense, and this version is smarter than ever. You've got pre-collision braking, lane centering, adaptive cruise, and traffic sign recognition. But the real game changer? AI voice control. You can now say, "I'm cold," or "Find me a charging station," and the RAV4 gets to work. It's not perfect, but it's fast, fluid, and more intuitive than before. Also new, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard with fast-charging USB-C ports throughout the cabin. And for GR Sport and Limited trims, you get built-in nav and cloud-based updates. Whether you're tech-obsessed or just want to feel safer on the road, this RAV4 covers all the bases without overwhelming you. So, is the 2026 Toyota RAV4 the best it's ever been? Honestly, yes. Toyota didn't just refine it, they redefined it. Whether you're a weekend warrior, the daily commuter, or a performance junkie, there's a RAV4 built just for you. But here's that one hidden feature we teased earlier, the camping mode. Pair the onboard outlet with the flat cargo floor, and you've got an SUV that doubles as a micro camper. It's not advertised loudly, but it's there, and it's brilliant. Now the big question, would you pick the off-road Woodland, Performance GR Sport, or Plush Limited? Drop your choice in the comments below. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe